Hi everyone, welcome back to Cozy Creations by Jade. Today I'm going to show you how to make the beaded pens. So in your kit you'll receive the pen, and once it's done to use the pen you just turn the bottom bit and the end pops out, and you turn it back to close it again. So now the writing part's disappeared again. Alright, so in your kit you'll get these pretty little rhinestone beads, and on one side there's a part that opens just like that. You won't need all of them, but they're nice to keep and change whenever you like. They're very pretty. This one's a blue one. And your main beads, which are also very pretty. Now I do warn you that when you open these, they go everywhere. So maybe we'll separate the rhinestones a little bit, just so we've got somewhere to contain the beads. I did tell you that they go everywhere, and they do. Alright, so we'll bring them back. It's good to have a little tray, even an oven tray, if you've got one, to contain your beads. They will eventually stop rolling. There we go. Nope, they're off again. Alright, we're going to put them up there. I'm going to push them to the back maybe. There we go. Alright, so to put them on your pen, you just grab the end here. This end part screws off, but so does it in here. So if we turn it, that'll actually come out. And then you can decorate it however you like. Now I recommend putting a bigger bead, so maybe one of these or even one of the round ones, on first, because the little rhinestones will just disappear. So that would be your last bead if you've unscrewed it from in the pen like that. All right, so we'll keep that one for last. So we'll put a pretty one. You just thread them onto the pin just like that, and then you can put them on however you like. I might put the pretty sparkly one. Now each kit will come with at least one super special bead. I'll put a pink one on next. I've just made a felt animal and it's all sticking to me. So that goes on like that. Wow, that looks pretty, doesn't it? I'll put this one on next, like so. And then we'll get a blue bead on like that. Just like that. So when you get to that stage, hold your pin up and pop your pen on, and just see how much further you've got to go. So what I'll do is, I can't fit another whole bead, so we'll take that off, and I'm just going to use another gem spacer because that was about all the space that I had left. So if you use these beads, they're a little bit smaller, so you might need more spacers. There we go. And then the end of the pen back on, and that is your beautiful pen. So depending on your mood, you can change it up, and then you've got a super fancy pen to write with. So thank you for crafting with me today. I hope that you will come and do some crafting with me again soon. Take care.